Let's solve this SAT math practice test together and wait till the end because after this I will give you a question to solve. So for I equals root negative 1, what is the sum? What is the sum of 7 plus 3i then plus negative 8 plus 9i. We are just to add this. So we have 7 plus times minus, this will become negative. So 7 minus 8, then we have plus 3i plus times plus, it remains plus 9i. So this will give 7 minus 8, that will be negative 1. And then we have 3 plus 9 is 12. So negative 1 plus 12i. And this is the answer. The option is option A. This is the correct answer. Now, it's time for you to practice. So, you subtract, you are to subtract 3 plus 7i from 5 minus 2i. Let me know whatever you get in the comments. Leave your answer in the comments. And if you have any question that is confusing, there is a link in the description. Just click on the link and then upload or type your question. Then I will solve it, and make sure to put on the notification bell so that you will not miss out whenever I solve the question.